Hello everyone, welcome to your Writer's Workshop. We have been writing lots of stories in our writing journals in the morning, and now we're going to start turning those stories into small moment stories. So today you're going to be brainstorming small moment stories. When we brainstorm, we collect a bunch of ideas that we can write stories about later on, and that's what we're going to be doing for the next few days. Remember, you always have your materials in hand, your writing notebook, and a pencil. All right, guys. So when we think about stories, we think about watermelon and seed ideas. The watermelon is the big idea, and the seeds are the small moments inside of those big ideas. So for example, when we go to the park, going to the park is the watermelon idea. It's the big idea. It's what you did. That small moment when you go to the park is going down the slide. Another example, going to the amusement park is the watermelon idea. It's the big idea. But in the amusement park, you did other things, and those are the small moments. Like, for example, riding the Ferris wheel. Another example, lots of us have gone camping. That's the watermelon idea. That's the big idea. But when you go camping, you do different things. And those different things are your small moments, like roasting marshmallows. Another big idea, going to the beach. That's your watermelon idea. Your small moment at the beach would be building a sandcastle or splashing in the water. So now, it's your turn to brainstorm some ideas for your small moment stories. Remember to think about the seeds of the watermelon. A small idea inside a big idea. Happy writing, everyone!